John, how about over at Palo Alto? I would imagine that going forward, you all are always trying to stay ahead. Probably got some things in the Petri dish. What's it look like out there? What's the demand signal from Palo Alto?
Yeah, thanks, Luke. You know, the way I look at it, at its core, zero trust done right enables a cybersecurity posture where only authorized users are allowed access to authorized applications with authorized content and data on authorized networks from authorized devices using authorized processes, and everything else is prohibited. Easy to say, very hard to do. And we recognize that organizations need help with practical implementation of zero trust. So for a vision of the future, we're developing a zero trust design service to help translate an organization's zero trust strategy into practical implementation. So we're not just someone who's going to plug a capability into your plan. We want to help you develop that plan in the first place. Four basic steps: help you identify the critical assets. Second step, complete the asset discovery and flow mapping. So after the critical assets are identified, create an inventory of the assets and map flows to them. And this step is often the most challenging and time consuming, but there are different tools available for logging and analyzing network flows based on your network and access. Third step, create a zero trust architecture, design built on the principles to include segmentation requirements, privileged access controls, endpoint controls, security analytics, and functional needs. And then finally develop the implementation plan that should work to minimize the impact to production workflows. So with the architecture design and implementation plan in hand, organizations can then be empowered with multiple options to execute the implementation. So that's what we're trying to do, is to help organizations design it and work through a practical implementation of zero trust.